Hello, and welcome back to another video of Quark-elec. Today we'll be going through how to update the user interface and MCU firmware for the A037 Engine Data Gateway and NMEA 2000 converter. Some important pieces of information can now be seen on screen. Feel free to pause the video here to read carefully. When the device has been powered by 12 volts, our first step is to connect to its Wi-Fi network using the password you have set up or the default one. Once a connection is established, open any browser and enter the configured IP address into the address bar. In this case, it is 192.168.4.1. This will take you to the dashboard to enter the update page, add a / and then update after the IP address. You will then be prompted to enter a password. This is the same as the network password we used earlier. From here, click in the text box to open a file window, locate the MCU Firmware file, which you can download from our website, and upload this. Then finally, click UI File Upload, and the process will run. Once done, power cycle the device. Next, we can update the MCU firmware. This is done via the configuration tool, which you can download from our website. When connected, press Ctrl and F7 to enter update mode, and click OK. This will open two windows. We can close the Wi-Fi window as we will only need the APP window. From the firmware folder, drag the most recent. This can be checked via the version number and date stamp firmware file. Paying close attention not to use either the UI or Wi-Fi file at this time. Again, the process will run, and once complete, close the windows and power cycle the device. We can then open the configuration tool once more, and the versions can be confirmed at the bottom of the window. The A037 has now been updated to bring the latest features to life. Please note, only A037s purchased after the 25th of October 2024 have the function of the dashboard and UI updates. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.